In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add symbols in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat, a great skill to have when you want to annotate documents effectively. Whether you're working on a form, marking up a draft, or just need to highlight certain points, knowing how to add these symbols can be incredibly useful. First things first, start by opening your PDF file in Acrobat. If you haven't already installed Adobe Acrobat, you'll want to make sure you have that ready to go. Once you have Acrobat open, you'll need to locate the PDF document you want to work on. This is as simple as navigating to the File menu, selecting Open, and then browsing your files to find your document. This familiar process is your starting point for adding any symbols or annotations to your file. Once your document is open, you'll see a variety of tools available. For this task, direct your attention to the Comment toolbar. You might often use this toolbar for adding notes or commentaries, but it's also where you'll find the tool for filling in form fields. Click on this option, and from here you can begin to choose and place your symbols. Now let's talk about the different options you have for symbols. Acrobat provides several options, including crossmark, checkmark, dot, circle around, and cross out symbols. These symbols are commonly used to review and mark documents, making them perfect for a range of tasks. Whether you're approving sections with a check mark, marking incorrect areas with a cross mark, or emphasizing specific parts with a dot or circle, these symbols will help convey your necessary edits clearly and effectively. After selecting the symbol you need, it's time to place it on your document. Simply navigate to the area where you want the symbol to appear and click to place it. The placement is flexible, allowing you to drag it around until you find the perfect spot. This ensures precision and clarity in marking your document. Additionally, you can modify the size of the symbol to better fit the document's format and your specific needs. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently add symbols to any PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're prepping a document for a review session or collaborating on a project, these tools will significantly enhance your ability to communicate changes and approvals. Incorporating symbols into your workflow will not only streamline your document editing process, but also add a level of professionalism and clarity to your annotations. Thank you for watching this tutorial on adding symbols in PDFs with Adobe Acrobat. Hopefully this simplifies your document annotation process, and you'll find yourself moving through your documents with ease and precision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.